Everybody wants to have healthy waterways, from catchment groups to communities to councils. We can all be brought together through our local awa and its catchment. There's a huge amount of science data available online that tells us about the health of catchments around Aotearoa. But it takes a lot of time and a lot of knowledge to make sense of all that data. So thanks to funding from the Y Connection project, we developed the Focus Catchment Map series, a map-based book designed to make complex data more accessible.
I think the shared goals that most catchment groups have is as a farmer, we want to increase production on the farm. We also want to protect the environment that we're farming in and improve water quality. Farmers are busy, they're not scientists, and they just want basically simple information in simple terms.
The Focus Catchment Map series, one, it's a beautiful document. It travels in a really lovely order, and you can see as it layers up what the state of play right now in this catchment.
We want catchment groups to look at the whole catchment before you start on one bit of restoration. Then they can understand where they can have the biggest impact with the work that they're doing.
At EOS Ecology, our GIS and science team are specialists at pulling data together from a range of sources, analysing and giving it meaning. For each map series, we take over 150 different data sources, reinterpret them as 30 map and data outputs spread throughout the book.
The science interpretation team take complex information provided by the scientists in GIS, and we re-envision that in a way that the general public can more easily understand.
So this page is showing us the Macroinvertebrate Community Index.
We're really fortunate to have that as a cornerstone of research that we can keep going back to, particularly as we apply for funding for different projects going into the future.
We've already completed 52 of these map-based books with funding from the Y Connection project, and that's reached from Northland all the way to South Canterbury. Our goal is to make catchment data easy to understand and to bring it together in one place.
We want to be the ones that make this change for the future and have this legacy that goes on and on and on. When you've got that really clear information, you can say, this is where we are, this is where we want to go, come on the journey.